everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your German teacher Urvashi Sharma, and in my last video we have covered first two question of your Arbeitsbook, and from second question we have done 5 parts and remaining 5 for your homework. So today I'm going to discuss the remaining 5 parts, and after that we are going to begin with another question of your Arbeitsbook. But before I'll start with your question, if you have not yet subscribed the channel, please subscribe the same, hit the like button below, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further updates. So now let's get started. So students, I'm going to start with your fourth question. In this question you can see we have two blanks, first and second blank, right? Keep one thing in your mind. The second blank is for helping verb, which are haben and sein, and this main blank is for, the last blank is for my past form of the verb. So you can have a look on the question. There are two blanks. So first one is for helping verb and second one is for the past form of the verb. So first point is ich den ganzen Kuchen allein dash. Answer will be ich habe den ganzen Kuchen allein gegessen, which means I have eaten the whole cake alone. But eaten is coming as at last position, because this is what I taught you, that verb in the past form will always come at last and helping verb will always come at second position. Next, dash den Satz nicht richtig. So conjugation will be hat. Why am I using hat here? Because of And why am I using habe? Because of ich. Richtig gelesen, which means he has not read the sentence correctly. Read is coming at last because this is the past form of the verb. Wir haben is coming because of wir. Wir haben Onkel Franz telefoniert, which means we have called Uncle Franz. This is my request to all. Please write down the translation in your German books. I am just translating each and every sentence. Okay. Now let's move on to the next question, next point, which is der Bus dash erst von 2 Minuten. Der Bus hat erst vor 2 Minuten gehalten, which means the bus has stopped for 2 minutes. Okay, the bus has stopped for 2 minutes. Next, die Kinder haben lange am Tisch gearbeitet, which means the children have worked long on a table. Gearbeitet is my past form of the verb, and I am using here haben because of Kinder. Next, dash du die Hände gewascht. Hast du dir die Hände gewascht? One more thing, students, I am using here hast because of du. So the subject and the verb should always have relation between them. The verb will always change according to the subject. Next point, gestern Nacht, which means yesterday night. This means yesterday night. Ist ziemlich spät gekommen. Why might be you are thinking, ma'am, why you have used here is? Because of and in this part, which means in 7th part, we have used sign as a helping verb. Okay, reason, if somebody is coming from somewhere, they will have movement, and movement is always sign. Next, the Frauen, which means the ladies. In this part I have no subject, so this will be my subject. The ladies haben lange miteinander gesprochen. which means the ladies have spoken with each other for a long time. Okay. Ninth, ich habe die Flasche. I have kept the bottle on the table. Gestellt. Gestellt means kept, and I have used here haben because of Frau, and ich along with ich I will always use habe. 10th point, das Hotel hat ihm gehört. The hotel has belonged to him. So this is what we have done today. I hope this much is clear to everybody. Helping verbs are at second position and main verbs are at last. Next thing, GE is coming almost with all the verbs. Okay, and in 7th part I have used ist because if somebody is coming there is a movement, and movement is always sein. So now I'm going to give you a solution of question number 2. Last 5 part, these 5 part in the last of this video, which you have to write in your German books. So make sure you write them, complete them. Your work should be complete. And from this chapter we have covered question number 1, question number 2, question number 4, and today I am also going to cover this first half of question number 5, and the second half will be your homework. So now let's start. This is the same question. In this question we have these all in the present tense. So what will I do? I will change them all in the past tense, and then 1 2 3 4 5 6, as you can see we have here 6 blanks, 6 verbs, and I have here 11 blanks. So this is understood that one blank is for helping verb and another blank is for main verb. That means past form. So gestern Abend, which means yesterday evening dash Peter mit seinen Freunden ins Kino. So answer will be yesterday evening ist Peter mit seinen Freunden ins Kino gegangen, which means yesterday night Peter has gone with his friends in theater. So the past form of gehen is gegangen. Dort dash sie viel Spaß. Dort haben sie viel Spaß gehabt. Past form of haben is gehabt. I'm just writing the past form in the bracket, you can see, underlining also. Okay, der Film ist toll gewesen. Gewesen is the past form of sein. Okay, the film was great. Sie here means they, because Peter has gone with his friends. So sie here means they. Sie haben Popcorn und Chips gegessen, and gegessen is of essen, und Colas getrunken. Okay, this is the past form of trinken. Translation: they have eaten chips and popcorn, and they have also drank cola. Last point, sie. Again, sie here means they. Sie haben nicht einmal an die Zeit gedacht, which means they have not thought about the time. Gedacht is the past form of denken. So this second half is your homework. It's the same way you have to follow. Okay, please do it carefully, everybody. If you want me to repeat the same, I will make another video on the same question. Till then, bye bye, stay home, stay safe.